This 2025 DRV Mobile Suites MS 41FKRB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Tyler, Texas, 75706 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tyler. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new DRV is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.